Good day, folks. Today we have demolition therapy going on. Forget screen therapy, forget punching a pillow therapy, forget talking to a puppet therapy. Demolition therapy. It's all the new rage, used for centuries. Need to relax, take out some stress. Demolition therapy. Pick up a hammer, smash something. Preferably something that actually needs smashed. Like in this case, it's floor tiles that need to be removed. And, there's probably better, quicker ways to do this, but you know what? Demolition therapy, folks. And, it's just as effective as CrossFit, You can get your CrossFit in. See, do some squats. Do some squats with that there. Do some squats while you do that. There you go. There you go. See? Now you can get some squat fit in too. Now some shoulder work. Take the thing. Take the thing, push it in there. Shoulder work. Watch those nails, they'll stick you. Shoulder work. See, look at that. Healing that right up. There we go. See? You're good. You're almost cured. Try not to put that through anything we don't want to do there. Yeah, folks, demolition therapy with medicine ball, asbestos removal, wild casino. And this is just another lovely day here in Waikoloman, Rocky Mountain West. Anybody get bored, and need some demolition therapy? If you would like demolition therapy costs $200 a day. Just give me a call. And I will sign you up for demolition therapy, $200. It works, folks. And then you can go do some nice animal-assisted therapy to, really get your zen on. Zen on. There we go. Sunday fun day. Peace.